My name is Julian, and I'm from the MBA in Entrepreneurship at UTS. You know how when we start a business as a first-time founder, we're so full of motivation, and then we're so full of confidence when we leave our full-time job, right? And then 3 months later, it's a different story for some of us. Maybe not all of you, but for some of us. What happens is that we realize that we've got great skills, but not in all areas. We also realize that we don't know what are the priorities, what we should be doing next. And we start feeling overwhelmed, and there is that feeling of imposter syndrome that is creeping in, right? So what we've done with FutureUp is to partner with Fishburners and provide a 12 weeks hands-on program that brings the proven playbook for first-time founders to get the business off the ground. That's course content, that's coaching, and that's community. When I talk about community, that's basically having a desk here for 3 months and having access to the most supportive startup community here in Australia. When I say content, that's actually personalized content that you can choose in the areas where you lack expertise. And when I say coaching, that's 50 plus hours of support and accountability through one-on-one coaching and group coaching. In fact, in the past 12 months we've been running that program, all the participants have been generating revenue, which after 12 months is a good thing to do. But more importantly, they've been able to pivot several times because they've built confidence through developing their entrepreneurial competencies. All right, so this was just an elevator pitch, and I'm happy for Pete to just tear it away. But it's just an example of the business outcomes that we work on. So basically, you go and learn on the online modules such skills like the elevator pitch, and then you come and practice during the masterminds at least 6 or 10 times. And then we force you to go out there and leverage all the benefits that Fishburners has to offer, such as coming to a lunch and learn like here, like Pete, and then learn new skills and practice the skills that you've done. All right, that's it for me. So this program starts on the 18th of March. It's $3,500. That includes a desk. And when we run it at university, that's more than $4,500. Did I mention that you also get credits for the MBA in Entrepreneurship at UTS when you do that? So it's a pretty good deal. So if you want more information, you can talk to me after the pitch, or you can go on Fishburner's website, and there's a link, look for FutureUp, and enjoy